kitchen and we are cooking up a feast today, and we're starting with
मसूर की दाल and palak.
yes, and that is from Chetna's Healthy Indian. Look at the beauty. Really easy, simple, and she is going to tell us how to make it.
अब हम 400 ग्राम दाल लेंगे.
400 grams red lentils और मसूर की दाल.
इसमें 1.2 लीटर पानी डालेंगे. 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट, 1 टीस्पून टर्मेरिक पाउडर.
I love this kind of cooking where she's doing everything. I'm just standing.
इसको डाल के और उबाल आने के बाद जब ये उबल जाएगा पानी, तो फिर हम इसको बंद कर देंगे और 10-15 मिनट तक पकाएंगे जब तक हमारी दाल गल नहीं जाए.
So basically everything in a pan, bring it to a boil, cover and cook for 15-20 minutes. You want the lentils cooked basically.
और 15-20 मिनट तक इसको पकने देंगे जब तक ये गल ना जाए.
Just a tablespoon of ghee. This is the topping that's going to go on top of our cooked spinach and lentils. So let it just heat up nicely. A pinch, just a pinch, because it's really strong, of asafoetida or hing. Then goes in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them sizzle. Green chilli, nice and spicy, and a couple of garlic cloves, thinly sliced. Just let it get a nice lovely golden color, and this will finish our spinach dal beautifully. If it gets too thick, like right now it's looking a tiny bit thick, then I'm just going to add 100 ml more of the water. Now look, you can see it's all cooked, it's all mushy and beautiful color. And now I will add 150 to 200 grams of washed spinach leaves. And look, it's cooking already. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. My mum is wanting to give it a go, and I'm saying, no, let me take a picture, let me take a picture. Right, so I'm going to dig in. Just have a little taste. It just smells incredible. You know, when the garlic is cooked with the cumin and the ghee, oh, you can make it vegan, just use some oil. But it's such a wholesome, it's just such a delicious recipe to eat with rice. और किसके साथ खा सकते हैं?
राइस के साथ खाइए, रोटी के साथ खाइए, पराठे के साथ खाइए.
Oh, yes.
लच्छा पराठा के साथ खाइए.
Oh, absolutely, yes. You can find the lachha paratha, which actually my mum made, on the channel. I will leave the link in the description box, and I can't wait because it smells so amazing. It's hot, but to be extremely honest, ये तो मैं ऐसे ही खा सकती हूँ, सूप के जैसे. I can totally eat it as a big bowl.
ब्रेड के साथ खाइए.
Yes, so as a soup, and like she said, with some bread. Oh, please do give this a go. Oh, and it's from, if you want a written recipe, guys, you know where you can find it. But do join us, well, maybe us or me next week for another recipe. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon.